Vice Governor Christine Garin, Mr. Presiding Officer, Mr. Floor Leader, fellow members of this august body, good afternoon. On February 7, 2023, we have given a resolution of commendation to Jose Robert Castromayor of Barangay Ginulacan, Bingawan, Iloilo, for topping the Philippine Carabao Center, West Visayas State University, Calinog's search for top-performing dairy buffalo farmer of Western Visayas. This is one of the reasons that prompted this representative to travel to Bohol last May 9 to 12, 2023, to have a personal immersion and to observe their famous Carabao buffalo farming industry and the utilization of its dairy products. My trip was a rude awakening. I was surprised at the fact that we in the province of Iloilo are very far behind compared to the province of Bohol when it comes to the development, sustainability, and use of the Carabao for farming and meat, and the use of Carabao dairy products for feeding and a source of income. As a brief backgrounder, the Philippine Carabao Center has established an office at West Visayas State University, Calinog Campus, in order to train and teach our farmers to conserve, propagate, and promote the Carabao as a source of milk, meat, draft, hide, and to bring better nutrition, higher levels of income, and improved general well-being of the rural farming families. From 2016 to 2021, the PCC is producing more than 52,000 kilograms of milk, and its calf drop produced via artificial insemination is at almost 3,000 heads. The Carabao population in the Iloilo province alone has reached to more than 92,000 heads, and out of that number, almost 15,000 heads have been slaughtered as source meat of last 2021. In short, we have less milk available to feed our children, but we have more Carabaos for farming and for meat. Further, the province of Iloilo has a strong affinity to Carabaos or water buffaloes. We have the Pasungay Festival in the municipality of San Joaquin. It is a Carabao fight held every third week of January as part of an Asian tradition of San Joaquin and honors the community's artistic, cultural, and historical heritage. No other Carabao festivals just like in San Joaquin are held in the Philippines. We have also the municipality of Leon's livestock auction market, the biggest Carabao water buffalo auction market in Western Visayas. However, it is with a heavy heart that I inform you that despite having a rich agricultural heritage, Iloilo province continues to rely heavily on dairy products that are sourced from outside our borders. This dependency not only drains our economy, but also exposes us to significant risks in terms of food security and sustainability. Imagine 99.51% or 43,787,584.72 kilogram out of 47 million kilograms of the milk demand of Iloilo province is outsourced. We are only using 0.49% of our own dairy products. So what have we done to the remaining 99.51%? Our ancestors have toiled to the fertile lands of this province for countless generations, saw the importance of Carabao farming. These creatures have long been integral to our agricultural practices, providing us with milk, meat, and power for our fields. However, in recent years, we have witnessed a decline in Carabao farming activity within our province, and this has led to the erosion of our self-sufficiency in dairy production. The repercussions of this neglect are manifold. First and foremost is the economic drain caused by our reliance on imported dairy products. Instead of channeling our resources towards local producers, we are inadvertently contributing to the prosperity of other regions or even other countries. This not only hampers local economic growth, but also perpetuates an uneven distribution of wealth. Further, neglecting our Carabao farming has adverse effects on our rural communities. Traditionally engaged in this trade, local farmers find themselves with diminishing opportunities to earn a sustainable income. Consequently, many are forced to abandon Carabao farming, seek employment elsewhere, or even migrate to urban areas in search of greener pasture. This in turn leads to a decline in our agricultural workforce and contributes to the widening rural-urban divide. To address this issue, I propose a multifaceted approach to it. First, with regard to the unregulated slaughter of breedable and pregnant female carabaos necessary in breeding and as milking animals, the provincial government and LGU should provide funds to Save the Earth program, a program that buys back the breedable and pregnant female carabaos. This can be done through LGUs and other agencies. Second, with regard to low-performance breeding via artificial insemination, we should train and increase the number of active AI technicians via LGUs, incentivizing AI system, like giving cash incentives to motivate them. This would in turn facilitate the functioning of our AI centers, specifically those located in Barotac Nuevo, Cabatuan, Miagao, Concepcion, Aliosan area, Lambunao, and in Pototan. Third, with regard to lack of skills in milk-based product development, there must be an access to concerned agencies in training and capacitating focal persons or technicians in product improvement, packaging, labeling, and quality control. This would help in the supplemental feeding program as enshrined under RA 11037, Section 4, Paragraph C, or the Masustansyang Pagkain para sa Batang Pilipino Act through provision of milk dairy products to be headed by DSWD and or local-led initiatives. Fourth, the establishment of dairy boxes, just like in Barotac Nuevo, in an area within Metro Iloilo, to serve as main distributing arm of milk and dairy products. Fifth, cold storage facilities must be established in the 5 congressional districts, if possible, to prolong the shelf life of dairy products. And lastly, may I therefore sponsor a resolution for the Office of the Provincial Agriculturist to formulate detailed plans for a provincial Carabao and dairy development programs seeking support or tapping the expertise of the PCC and in general the Department of Agriculture. Let us not allow the neglect of our Carabao farming industry to continue. It is our duty to restore Iloilo's self-sufficiency in dairy production, enhance our food security, and provide improved livelihood opportunities for our people. By taking decisive action today, we can pave the way for a prosperous and sustainable future, one that honors our agricultural heritage and ensures the well-being of our communities. Thank you, and may we work together towards a thriving Iloilo province.